Hey there, Devonshire. Thank you so much for tuning in for this new episode of CCMC and Me. Before we get into the content of this episode, as always, we're going to take the time to introduce ourselves. I'm Gabriel Lamette.
Wayne Detweiler.
Rachel Gatlin. Brooke Johnson.
All right, so now that we've gotten the introductions out of the way, what we're going to do is take the time to interview Wayne, and we're going to talk a bit about irrigations. So can you tell us a little bit about irrigations? Because I know it's very important with summer being here and the heat will kick up. So what do you advise for this season?
Well, I advise, Gabriel, we're past May where we had lots of rain, so now we're in the hot season. So a lot of homeowners wonder, well, how often should I irrigate, how long, and what's the best time of day? So I recommend 2 to 3 times a week irrigating your lawn. How long? Experts recommend anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes for each zone. And then the third one is how often, so 2 to 3 times a week. And the best time of day, I guess is the third point, is early morning hours. So anytime like 6 a.m. to 9 or 10 a.m. is best. Later in the day, it's just going to evaporate and not be as effective. So like, personally, I set it for early morning, like 6 a.m., and it seems to do really well for the lawns.
Wow, that's very interesting. I'm even learning new stuff here with this interview, so that's awesome. So, anybody else have any other questions for Wayne before we?
Yes, new homeowners.
Yes.
Should they do anything different?
So if you have a new home, just has sod put down, the builder probably had the timer set for many days a week and even longer than normal just to get the sod established. So you want to check the timer in your garage and check how often it's watering and for how long. And as soon as your sod is established, then go to that 2 or 3 times a week for 20 to 30 minutes each time, early morning. So you may have to reset it once your sod is established.
Wow, that's awesome information. Well, I'm glad we got a chance to go ahead and inform you about making sure that your lawn is going to stay fresh and great during this really hot season coming up. Thank you for tuning in for this episode. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and like this channel. We want to get all of the community onto this channel, and it's going to take with subscribing. I always say it's free, so do it. Definitely make sure you go ahead and do that, and also put a like on this video. We'll greatly appreciate it. Till next time, we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.